Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my blue ribbon chili dog sauce. This chili sauce is amazing. It goes great on dogs, burgers. It's my interpretation of a Coney Island style chili dog sauce. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the chili sauce, we are going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of water, 1 medium onion finely diced, half a cup of tomato sauce, 1/4 a cup of ketchup, 1/4 a cup of yellow mustard, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and about a teaspoon of salt. Let's head over to the stove and get cooking. In a large pot, we're going to turn it on to medium heat. We're going to get in our ground beef, our onions, and our cup of water. And we're going to get in here with our hands, make sure they're clean, and we're going to break apart the ground beef. And we're going to want to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now as it starts to come up to a simmer, you just want to get in there with your spoon and break it all apart. We want this to have like a velvety, smooth texture in our mouths. So this is what's going to allow that to happen. After 10 minutes, this is what we're looking for. Now we're going to strain this and we're going to work on the sauce. And now we're going to go in with everything else. Tomato sauce, ketchup, mustard, garlic, chili powder, and a little bit of salt. We're going to stir this up, get it all well combined. We're going to let it simmer on low for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then we're going to get a taste of it. So I'll see you then. And that's our chili sauce. Let's head back to the cutting board. I'm going to heat up some hot dogs and we're going to get a taste of this. There you have it, that's our chili dog sauce. Let's get a taste. It's really good. I took a big bite, you're gonna have to give me a second. It's so good. It has a velvety type texture. Pretty sure I have it all over my face. Which comes with chili dogs. You can top this with cheese, onions, more mustard if you want. It's really good. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in and we'll see you next time.